cold, but my heart's still burning. Every drop calls your name again. I walk these streets where we kept on turning, dreaming you'd come back with the rain. And I still hear your laughter fading slow through the storm. I keep chasing your shadow like a prayer I can't reform. When the rain reminds me of you, every tear feels something true. All the echoes of our time still singing through the blue. When the rain reminds me of you, I can't hide, I fall right through to the love we never knew. When the rain reminds me of you. The city sleeps, but my mind keeps playing all the words we left behind. You were the fire that kept me staying. Now I'm lost where you used to shine. I still taste your promise in the silence of my room. Every whisper calls your name through the fading of perfume. When the rain reminds me of you, skies and never cry. But tonight I'll let the thunder tell me how to say goodbye.